guys, today I'm going to be teaching you different ways to tie your string to your hook. Okay, so the first thing we got is my hook, and then I got my string. We're going to stick it through the little hole right here. Like this. So after you stick your string through the hole, you're going to get some extra string right here and then start wrapping it around this string, the main one. After you wrap it around a couple times, it should be like that. So after you have it like that, you want to stick this part right here, this string right here, through this hole. And once you do that, you want to stick it back through the hole again that you just made. And then you make a knot. See if I can focus. Once you have the knot, you can just cut off this extra string. This is what it should look like once you're done. Okay, so this one's called the loop knot. First, you just want to do an overhand knot, kinda. So you're gonna do that. Easy little knot. Okay, so now you're gonna grab your hook and put it through, put the line through the eye of the hook. And once you do that, it should be like this, kinda. And you just want to bring this up and through, like this. And then you want to wrap it around a couple times. Wrap around the line. And then you stick it back through right here. And just pull it tight. And you should have a little loop knot. This is your loop knot that you should be able to make from that. Okay, this is the last knot for the day. You stick it through the eye of the hook, like that. And then you make sure you have quite a bit of slack. And then you come back through the eye again. Just like that. You're gonna have a lot of slack still. And then it should be like this now, with like the little loop. And you just want to do an overhand knot. Like that. So now you have an overhand knot. Then you just want to bring this knot over the hook. It looks like it's all tangled right now, but then you slowly start to pull it. Like that. This was our last knot for today, and this is what it should look like.